Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking which Apple ID is tied to your Pokémon GO account and backing up progress. Open Pokémon GO, go to Settings, and note the linked account method. Once done, sign out of the Apple ID on the device only if you plan to unlink locally, otherwise keep it for verification. You're doing this to avoid losing account access. Make sure you have login credentials and any recovery info ready before proceeding to account removal steps. Now you'll contact Niantic to remove the Apple ID connection because Apple's sign-in flow is federated and needs Niantic's action. Open Help in the app or Niantic support page, choose Account or Sign-in Issues, and select Unlink Request. Provide the Apple ID email, trainer nickname, level, purchase receipts, and device ID to prove ownership. After submission, watch for an email from Niantic with next steps. They'll confirm identity, and then detach the Apple ID from your in-game account. Once Niantic confirms the unlink, you'll sign back into Pokémon GO using a different provider or create a dedicated Pokémon Trainer Club login. Follow their email link, then test login on your device. Make sure your Pokémon items and friends list remain intact. That's why verification mattered. If something goes wrong, no confirmation, lost progress, or login failures, reopen support, attach purchase receipts, screenshots of account details, and device logs. Persistence and clear evidence usually resolve remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.